Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi Sparkle! Today is definitely going to be a good day. So, today I decided to bring you along as I do my makeup and style my first mini braids. I haven't done my makeup in a while, so we're about to find out if I've still got it. So, get ready with me as I do my makeup and style my mini braids. I start by prepping my face with the Kiss Beauty Illuminating Primer using the MAC 190 foundation brush. I gently apply it over my face, making sure it spreads evenly. While I let the primer dry, I grab the Bobbi Spoolie to brush my brows into place before outlining and filling them in. Then, I use the Jordana Easy Liner Retractable Pencil in the coffee bean shade to outline and fill in my brows. I repeat the same process on the other side, making sure to brush my brows neatly and follow their natural shape. I really love this eye pencil because it glides on so easily and I never have to sharpen it. Just like it says on the product, Easy Liner Retractable Pencil. It really is an easy liner and a retractable one. Next, I go in with the same Bobbi Spoolie to brush my brows upwards, helping to blend the eye pencil evenly so the color looks consistent throughout my brows. Then I'll be using the Milani Secret Cover Concealer Cream in the 02 Light shade, along with one of the brushes from the Bobbi Brown brush set to clean up and define my brows. I start by applying the concealer beneath my brows. Then I apply a small amount above them. You might not notice it, but I actually reduced the amount of concealer I used on the top so it doesn't look too heavy. Then I'll also be using the same concealer as an eyeshadow base to help my eye makeup apply more smoothly and last longer. I go in with a beauty blender to properly blend in the concealer on my eyelids and around the areas where I cleaned up my brows. And please don't mind that my beauty blender is dirty. I usually clean it, but this time I was just so lazy. Please don't ask me any questions in the comment section, just keep watching. I immediately set my eyelids with the IMAN press powder. I'm gently pressing the powder in as I apply it. Next, it's time for foundation. I'll be using the Bobbi Brown foundation brush along with my custom foundation mix. Just so you know, I find it really hard to find a foundation shade that matches my skin perfectly. So I made my own by mixing the Milani Secret Cover Concealer Cream with the black Opal loose powder and the IMAN medium coverage foundation inside the Milani Secret Cover concealer bottle. So what looked like concealer earlier was actually my custom foundation mix, a blend of foundation, concealer and powder. Now I just apply it all over my face. I don't really have a special technique. I simply pick up the product with the brush and apply it all over my face until I'm satisfied. Then I go in with this 2207 BW brush to evenly spread the foundation across my face. I just press and dab it onto my skin to help the foundation spread nicely. I also apply it to my neck so that my face and neck match and have an even skin tone. I follow up with a beauty blender to blend out any excess foundation and create a smooth, even finish. Then I go in with the black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation using my beauty blender on my under eyes, cupid's bow, forehead, down to the bridge of my nose and my chin. These are the areas I like to highlight, and this Total Coverage Concealing Foundation works really well to brighten and define them, giving my face a more balanced and lifted look. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for your support. To contour, I apply the Eyeliner concealer in the bronze shade under my cheekbones, on my forehead and along the sides of my nose. This adds warmth to my face and gives it a bit more definition. I use a different beauty blender, one that's a bit softer, to apply it to my cheekbones and forehead. Then I use a brush to apply it along the sides of my nose for more precision. I don't like to contour my jawline, it's just my personal preference, but if you like to, please feel free to do it. Focusing on the concealed areas, I go in again with the first beauty blender and gently dab over them one more time. Next, I use a powder puff with the Milani cake powder to set those concealed areas. I also apply some beneath my cheekbones to add a bit more definition. Then I use this Bobbi Brown brush to apply the same powder over those areas one more time to help everything blend together and give my makeup a smooth finish. I use the IMAN pressed powder in the clay medium dark shade as my contour powder to set the contoured areas on the sides of my nose, under my cheekbones and on my forehead. I actually forgot to set my forehead at this point, but I remembered later and went back to do it after applying my blush. Next, I use the MAC 168 brush and this light pink MAC blush. I apply it on my cheekbones. You can smile to make your cheekbones pop, so you know exactly where to apply the blush. I'm just doing a light blush today, not too much. I don't want to overdo it and end up looking like a masquerade. Not today. If you noticed, I applied all my cream products before my powder products. I do have a cream blush, but I chose not to use it today. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using the MK Signorita Perfect Cheeks palette. I start with a light pink shade on my eyelids, then go in with a darker pink shade just above my crease. Next, I use the same beauty blender I used earlier to gently blend the darker shade into the concealer. This helps soften any harsh lines and gives the eyeshadow a more natural look. And please excuse my back camera, it really isn't doing this eyeshadow justice. Next time I'll definitely use my front camera instead. Time for my lip combo. I'll be using this Jordana pencil in the brown suede shade to outline my lips. Then I'll fill them in with this light pink MAC lipstick. Top it all off like icing on the cake. I'll be using this lip gloss. It's actually a MAC lip gloss too, but I transferred it into this container and threw the main container away. I did this because it's much easier to apply. Everything is looking put together now. Just a few finishing touches on my eyes and I'll be done with my makeup. I apply this black eye pencil to my lower waterline. I just love how it makes my eyes stand out. Then I lightly line my upper lash to give my eyes a sharper look and make them appear whiter. And please be careful when applying any product around your eyes. If you blind yourself and you're single, well, just get ready to marry yourself. Next, I apply mascara to my lashes. I don't really like wearing false lashes. They make me feel uncomfortable. Look at me looking like a bride ready to devour her husband. God, where no? Finally, I go in with this fan brush and this highlighter shade, applying it to the high points of my face to add a soft glow. Oh, and lastly, I'm trying to choose between this father and son, or should I say mother and daughter brushes. I ended up choosing this one with the same IMAN pressed powder I used earlier to lightly dust it all over my face and tie everything together. Now, let's focus on styling my first mini braids. I start by moisturizing my hair with a light spray of water. Next, I apply the Mediana leave-in conditioner all over my mini braids. And then, I seal the moisture in with my DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil. I've linked the full tutorial in the video description below if you would like to check it out later. After that, I give my fussy hair a quick brush. Honestly, my hair already looks good like this. Styling it felt like trying to solve a puzzle. But then I changed my mind and decided to go for a half-up hairstyle using this black hair rubber band. Then I fix my earrings to match my dress and makeup. And we are done! I look so gorgeous. Honestly, while I was doing my makeup, I thought it wasn't turning out well because of the back camera. But now I can confidently say otherwise. I actually did this makeup to film another video, so I decided to test my microphone as well. I switched to the front camera for the test. And here's what I have to say. 1, 2, 3, testing 1, testing 2, testing 3. Please don't mind me. Alright, so I think I'm done. The front camera is actually better than using the back camera of my phone. I should have started with the front camera all this while because the makeup is actually good. It's really, really good. It is not as good as you think. Please remove that fact from your head. It's actually really good. I can't come and kill myself. Oh. Anyway, I love the makeup. I'm loving it. It's been a while I did makeup. Oh, it's not easy. Oh. Alright, so please, I'm done. Please just go and watch out for the next video. I'm actually going to use this in my look. Shoot the next video. If you're interested in hair care contents, please watch it, okay? I'm going to attach it at the end of this video. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.